In this video, we'll quickly cover how to use a password manager with Google Workspace, making sure your business and personal accounts are secure, and keeping all your login information organized in one place. First things first, using a password manager with Google Workspace is an excellent way to make your online experience more secure. If you're tired of remembering complex passwords for all your accounts, or even worse, using the same password across all platforms, this solution is for you. I'll walk you through setting it up, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to keep your credentials safe without the stress of forgetting them. Plus, stick around until the end for an exclusive free trial of the password manager we're using today, available only to viewers of this channel. Let's dive in. Start by choosing a password manager that integrates well with Google Workspace. There are a lot of options, but for this tutorial, we'll be using a software that is both user-friendly and secure. You can grab a free trial of this software in the description below, so be sure to check that out. Once you've signed up for the password manager, the next step is to link it to your Google Workspace account. This is usually done by either installing an extension for your browser or by connecting your password manager directly through a Google sign-in page. If it's a browser extension, simply download it and follow the prompts to log into your Google Workspace. The extension will typically ask for permission to integrate with your Google account, so go ahead and grant that. After logging in, the software will start scanning for any saved login credentials related to Google Workspace or other linked accounts. It might ask you to update or store any new passwords you've recently used. This will allow the manager to securely store all your credentials in one place. From now on, when you log into your Google Workspace apps, you won't need to type your password manually. The password manager will autofill it for you. One of the key advantages of using a password manager with Google Workspace is the ability to generate strong passwords. The software will create complex, unique passwords for every single account you have. This removes the risk of reusing weak passwords, something that many hackers exploit. Whenever you create a new account or change your password, your manager will suggest a strong one. Another important feature is two-factor authentication. Make sure your password manager supports this for added security. It can work alongside your Google Workspace account to protect your data from unauthorized access. Simply enable two-factor authentication in your Google account settings, then link it to your password manager. This gives you an extra layer of protection on top of your password. Now let's talk about syncing your password manager across multiple devices. This is crucial if you need access to your Google Workspace account from different devices, like your phone, laptop, or tablet. Most password managers allow you to sync across devices, so you'll always have your passwords when you need them, whether you're in the office or on the go. The final step is managing your passwords effectively. Once your password manager is set up, you can easily organize your credentials into categories, such as work, personal, and banking. Some managers even let you share passwords securely with others, which can be useful for teams in Google Workspace. The key takeaway from this video is that using a password manager with Google Workspace is a simple yet powerful way to protect your data and manage your login credentials. Make sure you take advantage of the free trial in the description to try out the software we used in this video. To recap, 1. Install the password manager and link it to Google Workspace. 2. Allow the software to store and autofill your credentials. 3. Use strong, unique passwords generated by the software. 4. Enable two-factor authentication for extra security. 5. Sync across devices and organize your passwords. Remember to grab the exclusive free trial in the description below to follow along and secure your accounts. Thanks for watching and stay safe online.